Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a low fog machine. First, let's understand what this amazing device does. These fantastic machines create a beautiful, ground-hugging fog effect, perfect for adding drama to any event. To begin, ensure you have your low fog machine, the correct low fog fluid, and plenty of ice. Always set up in a well-ventilated area with clear space around the unit for safety. Proper preparation is key to achieving that stunning, ethereal atmosphere. Now let's prepare the consumables. It's crucial to use only specialized low fog fluid. Regular fog fluid simply won't give you that beautiful, low-lying effect. Fill the fluid reservoir to its indicated maximum level. Next, load the ice chamber with a substantial amount of ice, typically 20 to 30 pounds, depending on your machine's capacity. This ice is vital for chilling the fog, ensuring it stays close to the ground and creates that magical, dense cloud. With your fluid and ice ready, it's time to operate. Plug in the machine and allow it to warm up for about 5 to 10 minutes until the ready light appears. For optimal effect, place the machine on a flat, even surface, away from strong air currents that could disperse the fog. Once warmed, activate the fog output using your remote or DMX controller. You can adjust the intensity to create anything from a subtle mist to a thick, dramatic cloud. To ensure your low fog machine lasts for many events, proper maintenance is key. After each use, drain any leftover fluid and allow all the ice to melt and drain out. Wipe down the exterior with a damp cloth and store the unit in a cool, dry environment protected from extreme temperatures. For long-term care, occasionally run a small amount of distilled water through the machine. This helps prevent mineral buildup and keeps your machine performing beautifully for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.